Hi, we're going to look at how to move around in the 3D space in NC Simul. First, if you left click, you'll be able to move the object around and rotate around it. But what's really good to know is also to add a center rotation. Center of rotation, you can just hold down the F3 button. Some keyboards you might need to do function and then F3, and then you are going to left click, which adds a green dot in our 3D space, and this is now my center of rotation. It's always recommended to put in a center of rotation so it's a lot more predictable in which way your clamp and rough stock and everything are going to rotate. To remove that, you just need to do F4 and left click anywhere on your screen, and we will remove that center of rotation. Next, to zoom, if you click down on your scroll wheel, so just use it like it's a button, I can zoom in and out by just moving my mouse. So I will click and hold the scroll wheel and then move my mouse to zoom in and out of my part. You can also, if you prefer using the keyboard, you can hold Shift and then left click and move your mouse in and out, and that is also one way to zoom. If you'd like to pan, so that is also going to be Shift and right click. So Shift and left click is zoom. Clicking on your scroll wheel is also zoom, but Shift and right click will let me pan up and down. So I'll need to hold Shift and then hold right click, and I'm able to move this around. Another way to zoom as well is with this button over here, where I can just click and highlight the area I'd like to zoom in on. The arrow down here will just bring me back to have all of the 3D objects in my view. If you'd like to change the controls, you can go to File, go down to Preferences, and in our preferences there is a Controls option where you get to see the translation, so Shift and right click, the zoom, Shift and left click, or again it's the scroll wheel, and the 3-axis center of rotation just simply being left click, and your rotation center is F3 left click, and the cancel is F4. We have some predefined controls as well down here, or you can create your own and modify these to whatever you'd like.